The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northeast of Geronimo, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Lawton, Duncan, Marlow, Rush Springs, Bray, Central High, Acme, and Holland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for